Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma Habekran Bekinong Patai Kubor. Hadin balawai kejingelang juga kunhun menteri ulong hadin jo kejingetai kabasani bha bat ketenat kakoi kakya bagi nurse kiblesoy ya kabon. Kumta kunhun menteri kelarai bagi arspa arpuwe Ngut ki bonded nurse bat bonded paramedics. Kibala syak Thungkam hapeneng kesenam arjar pra bat arjar kadar lapen scam kejing Thungkam bat ban ain ok kejing itu yaki. Bukan rak kongkal sang mau ulong baan Thungkam show kini kam ke balat nama ke sarkar kelada ban menjur beraji itu jing Thungkam kablale kini snam kablong tek tang ki bonded nurse but bonded paramedics ulong bak sarkar kelasam bagi bonded nurse kile kile soy ke bond bat ke sarkar ke por bagi pulie badalor kini kadau bala Thungkam yaki
who were earlier appointed, and there are about 221 of them, and also there were the paramedic staff along with them, which again were bonded between the period of 2008 and 2012. And today in the cabinet we discussed in detail. As you remember, last time we had made the decision that all appointments are made post 2007, which were not in the procedures and were ad hoc in nature, will be then advertised, and recruitment will take place for that. So in that process, the bonded nurses also were included in that particular list. But after detailed discussion with the health department, and also based on different conversations with the bonded nurses and going through all the documentation, we have decided as a cabinet today that the appointments were made during that period and procedures were followed, and hence the cabinet today decided that the bonded nurses and the bonded paramedics who were appointed between 2008 to 2012, we have decided to confirm those appointments that were made and recognize them. And so the recruitment for those posts will not be done, as we have already approved and as I said, recognized the appointments that were made during that particular period, purely for, as I said, the bonded nurses and the bonded paramedics. So therefore, they were appointed. They were, at that point in time, a process was followed. But it was not the MPSC process, it was not the DSC process, it was not the Healthcare or Medical Recruitment Board process, but it was a process nonetheless, and they were appointed. So the question was whether the cabinet would recognize that process or not. So therefore, we went through the details and said that yes, there was a process, there was a bond, there was a legal document, and there was an appointment that was made. And hence, looking at those factors, it was very different from a pure ad hoc appointment where no procedure is followed and simply against a sanctioned post, appointments are done. So that differentiated these bonded nurses from a normal ad hoc appointment. And hence, we decided to recognize that procedure that was followed and as I said, confirm the appointments that were made.